Now let's head into the Systems section within Endpoint Management. This section gives you some fundamental administrative controls over your endpoints, like setting the hostname of a machine, rebooting devices remotely, or even shutting them down if needed. These may seem like simple actions, but they're incredibly useful when you're managing a large, distributed environment. Let's begin with Set Hostname. There are several scenarios where you might want to rename a device. Maybe you have a naming convention across departments or want to tag devices by location or purpose for better organization in your asset inventory. With the Set Hostname action, you can easily assign a new hostname to a device without needing to physically access it. For instance, let's say a device was provisioned with a generic name like Desktop 1234, and you want to rename it to follow your org's convention, like NYC-ENG 045. Just input the new hostname, select the device, and apply the change. That's it, quick and centralized. Now, in some cases, the hostname change might not fully apply until after a reboot. That's where Set Hostname with Reboot comes in handy. It takes care of both steps in one action, ensuring the change is committed without manual follow-up. Next, you have the Reboot action. This can be a huge time saver when rolling out patches or updates that require a restart. Instead of reaching out to each user or waiting for them to reboot on their own, you can schedule or trigger reboots directly from the platform. Let's say you've deployed a critical patch and want to ensure all devices apply it right away. Simply head over to System Reboot, choose the relevant devices, and push out the restart. And finally, you have the option to shut down a device remotely. This is useful in a few different situations. For example, maybe you want to safely power down systems during off hours for power conservation, or you've detected a compromised system and want to immediately disconnect it from the network to prevent lateral movement. The shutdown action makes this easy to enforce, no scripting required. So whether you're standardizing naming conventions, enforcing reboot policies after patching, or taking urgent shutdown actions for security, the system actions give you direct, simple control over your endpoints from one place. We'll cover automation and scheduling strategies around these actions in other videos, so stay tuned for that.